ओम श्रीमद् भगवद गीता सिंपल मीनिंग चैप्टर 3 कर्म योग वर्स 12 इष्टान् भोगान् हि वो देवा दास्यन्ते यज्ञभाविताः तैर्दत्तानप्रदायेभ्यो यो भुङ्क्ते स्तेन एव सः। पदच्छेदः इष्टान् भोगान् हि वह देवाः दास्यन्ते यज्ञभाविताः तैः दत्तान् अप्रदाय एभ्यः यः भुङ्क्ते स्तेन एव सः। यज्ञान् भाविताः देवाः यज्ञभाविताः देवाः the devas after or the yajna bhavita cherished by yajna devaha the devas yajna bhavitaah means cherished by yajna devaha the devas vah to you ishtan bhogan desired enjoyments dasyante will bestow upon you he therefore taihi dattan by them taihi dattan the gifts given or the enjoyments that are given dattan means given ebhyah to them apradaya without giving yah who bhunkte enjoys sah he stena thief eva verily stena eva sah he is thief only. Worshipped by sacrifices the devas will give you the desired objects of enjoyment. They are verily thieves who enjoy their gifts without giving their share in return. So in continuation with this, the yajna which is going on in the cosmic level, which is indicated by this ritualistic fire ritual called yajna in the Vedas. So whenever we give back to the nature what we have received from nature, so the nature will again gives you good things. And we are seeing this, we are witness to the bad things that are happening with us with regard to the environment, with regard to the nature. We are only receiving but not returning to the nature what it deserves. We are only the beneficiaries. We want to only exploit the nature without giving back. Ishtan bhogan hivo devaha dasyante. Nature's gods, they will give you back what is good for you. But tairdattan apradayebhyo yo bhunkte. So We enjoy what they have given to us, but without returning to them their share. Stena eva saha. Such a person is only called a thief. Stena. Stena, he is a thief. Because they do not give back what is due to the nature and nature's gods. So here in Gita they are called, such a person, such people are called thief. So in this modern world we are witnessing it day by day. We see this problem, and we also know the seriousness, how it is affecting the whole environment, whole society. Even in society, what we get from our elders, many children do not give back what they have received from their parents. So we see people giving up upon their parents. They leave them. They leave them to themselves when they become old. So they are thief. That is a sin. And we receive knowledge from our teachers. We receive so much from the society. Your richness, your wealth is not only yours. You may earn as much as you can, but we should always remember that this also belongs to the society from where we have earned all this money. So, without giving back, if a person enjoys it only to himself, then he is stena eva saha. He is verily a thief. That's what is being told here. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Tat Sat. Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.